Good morning, students. When we finished our fourth lecture, I left you with a spicy thing, pickles, and there I introduced vinegar. This was vinegar, CH3 COOH. We also called it 2-carbon acid, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, that's ethanoic acid. And if you remember, in my fourth lecture, I started with methane, the very first hydrocarbon. And we reached here. What are we going to do today? I'll take you on backward journey. From here we will reach there. I further told you that organic acids are carboxylic acid. They have detachable H, which is must for an acid, and they have got carbonyl group, carboxy group. This is carbonyl, this is oxygen, carboxy group. What is the difference between organic acid and inorganic acid? In inorganic acids, H is written here in the front. This is nitric acid. And in organic acids, H is written here, which is detachable. Left side, right side. As if मैं बाईं करवट सोता हूं, आप दाईं करवट सोते हैं. Both are acids. And when we remove this H to make a salt, we bring sodium and we call it sodium nitrate. Mind my word, nitrate. You remove H from here, similarly, replaceable H, and bring sodium there. Sodium nitrate, sodium acetate, acetic acid से बनाया है sodium acetate. So, from where you have to replace hydrogen in organic acid and in inorganic acid, that is clear in your mind. I come back again to ethanoic acid. And this ethanoic acid is to be converted to methane. Methane. What must we do in this molecule to change it to methane? What must we do in this molecule to change it to methane? This is 3, this is 1 more 4, matlab this thing should go. If we can remove this thing from the molecule, we can get 3 plus 1, 4 methane. So what you want to remove? Carbon dioxide. What name will you give to this reaction? I told you, when you remove something without bringing in another thing, you use the word delete. So we call it D for delete. Carboxylation. decarboxylation reaction. Now, who will remove carbon dioxide? Who will remove carbon dioxide? For that, you should know the property of carbon dioxide. In 10th standard, you learned that carbon dioxide is an acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. And to remove acidic oxide, you require a base or alkali, because alkali and acid are friends. Therefore, acetic acid is treated with soda lime. सोडा लाइम, दो नाम दिखते हैं इसके अंदर अपने को, सोडा और लाइम. सोडा स्टैंड्स फॉर NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. सोडा, सोडियम. And lime comes from calcium oxide. You know it is known as lime. A mixture of these two is known as soda lime. Both of them are basic compounds. They can take away carbon dioxide from this molecule and change it to methane. Carbon dioxide is already gone, as you have seen here. What happens to carbon dioxide? Methane you have got. But carbon dioxide का क्या होगा? What happens to carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is taken away by sodium hydroxide. I told you, base and acid. This is acetic oxide. It will absorb to form salt. And this salt is Na2CO3, carbonate salt. Carbon dioxide salt is carbonate. But that's side reaction. If you want to give, most welcome. Otherwise, go up to that we have removed carbon dioxide from acid and we have converted acetic acid, ethanoic acid into methane. Again go back to what have you done precisely. CH3COOH is being converted to CH4. And this compound was 2-carbon compound, ethanoic acid, converted to 1-carbon compound. From 2 you have come to 1 because 1 carbon is gone as carbon dioxide. Carbon कम हो गया. Therefore, this reaction can also be called as, एक और नाम है इसका, degradation reaction. It has been degraded. From 2 you have come to 1, एक step नीचे आ गए. So I have given you 2 names till now. Decarboxylation degradation, also one name soda lime reaction because we have used soda lime. Three names for same reaction. Decarboxylation, carbon dioxide हटाया है. Degradation, step नीचे आया है. सोडा लाइम यूज किया था, soda lime reaction, and this reaction was initially given by scientist Duma, D-U-M-A, so also known as Dumas reaction. सो रिएक्शन एक ही है, नाम अनेक हैं. And if you ask me, shall we go for all? Yes. Learn all names, because you never know an examination teacher asks you giving which name. So all these four names are now clear. This is the name of the scientist. This is the reactant we have taken, some substance we have taken to take out carbon dioxide. Degradation, decarboxylation. Now only last question for the day that you have to answer. Now teacher says that I don't want methane. Prepare ethane for me. He wants ethane. By this reaction, how to arrive at the answer? How to arrive at the answer? First, it was methane, and now teacher wants ethane. What is the increase? याद रखो, मैंने कहा था homologous series. The increase is CH2 unit. You simply add this unit and you become that. Same thing you do here. Increase. This has to go. You know, carbon dioxide has to go. It has to go because it is a decarboxylation reaction minus CO2. So this unit has to be increased in this area. As we have increased here. एक कार्बन में एक कार्बन जोड़ा था. Here also you use same technique. Add CH2 unit. Same thing which you done here. And what do you get? C2H5. C2H5. This area remains unchanged. This is the compound you must take now to prepare ethane. नाम दीजिए इस कंपाउंड का. नाम दीजिए इस कंपाउंड का. This molecule contains 2 + 1, 3 carbon and single bond. Go back to propane, and the name of this compound will be propanoic acid. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Write the name of the alkane, cut E, पूछ काट दीजिए, and introduce another OIC, propanoic acid. So take this compound. This is the starting material now for you. Rest you're done. And what you are going to do? 4 names: decarboxylation, degradation, soda lime, or Dumas reaction. So heat it with soda lime. What soda lime will do? It will remove carbon dioxide. Same thing I told you. You are acidic. This is basic. Remove carbon dioxide. What you are left with? इतना तो आता है गिनना. 5 और 1 6 होते हैं. 5 + 1 6. C2H6. And you get ethane gas. And there carbon dioxide is gone. Like that you go on and on and on and go on preparing different alkanes from carboxylic acid. Only one thing you have to do, has to go, and for that is present, and there we get. And remember one thing which I told you just now, you are down by 1 grade. From grade 3 you come to grade 2. That's all, my dear child, for today.